Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. It's another cooking episode, and today we are going to cook grilled fish sea bream. Let's start cooking. First, we need to defrost the fish. I bought this from Sainsbury, and this fish has been cleaned and ready to cook. While I'm preparing for the fish, my husband is lighting the charcoal grill. Let's season the fish with salt and pepper. Flip the fish and season the other side. We'll also make sure that we will season the inside of the fish. Squeeze some lemon to the fish and stuffed it with ginger, garlic, onion, slices of lemon, and lastly, tomatoes. Cover it with another sheet of tin foil and seal the sides. The fish is ready for grilling. The cooking time is between 10 to 15 minutes each side. Remove it from the foil and put it on a serving plate. And here is our finished product, grilled sea bream. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.